In this video, I'm going to show you how to find Deriv synthetic pairs on TradingView. Now, the first thing you have to do on TradingView, you want to go to Products and then Supercharts. Of course, it's recommended you sign into your account or create one if you don't have one yet. Then you want to go to this Trade button top right, and then from here you want to click on the search box and look for Deriv, okay? Now here you'll find Deriv, you want to click on it, and you want to click on the Connect button. Now you must have an account on Deriv to be able to do this, so as you can see here, it's going to be the authorization. First, it's going to take you to your login page. You have to sign in using your credentials, and then you have to press a button called Allow. Now, it did this automatically because I've done that in the past. If you want to know how to do this step by step, I do have a separate video teaching you how to connect Deriv to TradingView. So go watch that first and then come back. Now, over here, as you can see, I can now click on the Trade button top right, and it's going to give me the buttons to actually trade things. So to find my Deriv synthetic pairs, what you have to do is go to the top left here, and you want to click on this button, which is the kind of search box, symbol search, and from here you want to delete whatever's up top, and you want to click on Deriv over here. Whenever you do this, in here you'll be able to find the synthetic pairs or synthetic indices. As you can see, there's going to be a bunch of different ones. I have these over here. Let me actually open this again. Oops, it's actually searching for that. There we go. We have the volatility indexes and stuff like that. We have the crashes, the booms, etc. Okay, so that's how to find them. Then click on the one you want to see, and it's going to pop up on your chart over here. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.